Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need to begin now. Plug your Series 7 into its charger and confirm battery is at or above 50%. Make sure your paired iPhone is on the same Wi-Fi network, Bluetooth enabled, and physically near the watch. This speeds transfer and avoids dropouts. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, go to General, then Software Update, and tap Download. Once done, the iPhone prepares the update and transfers it to the watch. This step initializes the update process and checks compatibility. Keep both devices close, the watch on its charger and the iPhone unlocked. This prevents interruptions during the larger download and transfer phase. If the update fails for lack of space, remove large apps from the Watch app under Installed Apps. Deleting and reinstalling saves time versus full resets. While the transfer and preparation run, watch for progress percentages on the iPhone. Do not force quit the Watch app or disconnect Bluetooth, because the update files must move securely to the watch for installation. When the watch finishes installing, it will restart automatically. Once it boots, confirm the new Watch OS by checking settings right arrow General, right arrow About. Re-enable your passcode and glance through watch faces and complications to ensure apps behave normally. Some need time to optimize. If the watch becomes unresponsive during install or refuses to boot, force a restart by holding the side button and digital crown together for about 10-15 seconds until
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.